Now, there are several programming languages to learn. What I mean programming language, I'm going to talk about high-level programming languages because we still have low-level programming languages like the assembly language. Okay, so now the high-level languages are things like JavaScript. Okay, you have Python, and we also have C sharp, and we also have those languages we are also using to even code mobile apps. You have Kotlin and all of Swift and all of them. Now, one thing about learning any language is actually for you to understand the basic syntax. On my part, I feel one of the easiest languages to learn is Python because it has eliminated some of the heavy structures that we pass through when it comes to C and C++. For example, in Python, you may not need to declare a variable before using it. You can just go ahead, put the variable and just use it, and you start going. And then you can store in a variable a number. At the same time, you can store that same variable a character. All right, so it doesn't limit you, it gives you that freedom to enjoy it. Then we talk of JavaScript still has its own limitations also, but JavaScript is not also that bad. Okay, and JavaScript has had its own share of several frameworks. We talk about React, we talk about Vue, we talk about Angular. Now these different frameworks had made it possible for us to be able to have a better grasp or an easier grasp of this language called JavaScript. So once you learn the basics of JavaScript, you learn some things with JavaScript, the basic syntax and how it works. You can go ahead and learn React. Okay, because once you learn React, you'll be able to handle a lot of things in JavaScript with ease. It's not always necessary for us to reinvent the wheel all the time. Once you can see a solution, a good solution, go ahead and enjoy the good solution. All right. And see me right now, I'm like kind of in a greenery environment, just trying to enjoy myself, have some breeze up my head as I'm trying to cool off after coding for a while. I just had a client, and my head was kind of hot, so I had to just take a stroll. All right, see you later.